All right, so here's a look at these bar stools that we just got set up. You can see that they are gonna be a black color with a square pattern on them. I feel like these look great, especially here in our kitchen. We're gonna be changing up the colors and the dynamics of the kitchen. So we wanted to go with something that was a bit more punchy and bold. So we went the black. And then it's kind of got a chrome down here at the bottom. It's pretty easy to set up. You don't really need any tools. If I show you down here at the bottom, it's gonna have an Allen wrench and you basically just screw these pieces in here. Then you're just gonna connect this bottom piece to the middle piece and that's it. Really easy setup, probably took like, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. Now down here at the bottom, it's got a foot peg so you could actually put your feet on here while sitting at the bar. And the great thing about that is for this one specifically, you'll see that these go very high. So almost the same height as our countertop. And this is great for anyone who has a really high bar or countertop and needs this to be up high, or if you just got really long legs and you don't want your legs touching the ground, you can see it gives you plenty of space. Or if you want to bring it all the way down, you just press this button here. It'll bring you all the way down and you can see my feet sit flat on the floor. And I feel like this is perfect because it gives you a lot of range, whether you're short or tall, or if you have tall or short countertops. Now this one is a 2-pack, but we need to grab 2 more. That way we can fit it all the way across our countertop. But I wanted to give you a look at them real quick because I just got these all set up. Here is a look at the back. They're very simple and plain. But another great thing about these is I like that they built a tall back on these because even though, you know, they're pretty stable, I just don't want it to be too low to where maybe I tip too far back. But you can see they're very stable. Even at my weight, you can see it's not going to be moving around or tipping over. And that's pretty much because they built the base of this very wide. So if you're looking for a really good set of bar stools, something that looks good and has a lot of range on height, then I would definitely recommend picking up a set or 2 of these.